Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a witch. Let's start drawing. I start with her face. I draw her nose and chin, her scary eye, and her mouth with only one tooth. Then I draw her messy hair and her witch hat onto the top of her head. Now let's draw her body with her arm and the rest. I draw her high-heeled boots and her hand. She's holding her broom because she's sitting on it and flying high up in the sky. Behind her, let's draw her cat, like this. Finally, I draw the moon in the background. Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin with this light green marker. Then I use light red for her mouth. I color her hair black. Then I use this purple marker for her outfit, for her hat, and her clothes. I use black for the stripe on her witch hat and also for her boots. I add a little yellow here. Then I color her broom dark brown and light brown. She has a black cat, but I'm going to add a little gray here around her face to keep it visible. But for the rest of the cat's body, I use black. Finally, I color the moon yellow. And I add some dark blue into the background. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!